In 2026, the traditional 9-to-5 job is officially becoming a relic of the past as a new digital gold rush takes over the global economy. While millions of people are worrying about artificial intelligence taking their jobs, a small group of smart entrepreneurs is using that same technology to build massive passive income empires from their bedrooms. Imagine waking up to see thousands of dollars deposited into your bank account from digital products you never touched and services that run entirely on autopilot. This is not a dream or a scam. This is the reality of the AI side hustle revolution that is currently minting new millionaires every single day. Forget about old school drop shipping or basic blogging, because the new era of wealth is built on autonomous AI agents and hyper-realistic synthetic media. In this documentary, we're going to pull back the curtain on the most secretive and profitable AI side hustles that are dominating the market right now. We will show you exactly how people are using generative design tools to dominate the luxury home market and how automated YouTube channels are generating millions of views without a human face or voice. The gap between the rich and the poor is widening. But for the first time in history, the tools of the elite are available to anyone with a laptop and an internet connection. If you stay until the end of this video, you will have a complete roadmap to launch your own automated empire before the market becomes saturated. The revolution has already started, and the only question left is whether you will be a creator or just another consumer in the machine. The first major shift in 2026 is the rise of autonomous faceless video empires on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. In the past, creating high-quality video content required expensive cameras, professional lighting, and hours of tedious editing in dark rooms. Today, advanced AI video generators can create cinematic 4K footage of a tropical paradise or a bustling futuristic city with just a few lines of text. Smart creators are building channels dedicated to historical mysteries where every scene of a Roman battle or an Egyptian pyramid is generated by an algorithm. These channels use hyper-realistic synthetic voices that carry the emotional weight of a professional Hollywood narrator to keep viewers hooked. Because the AI handles the script, the visuals, and the voiceover, a single person can now manage a network of 10 different channels simultaneously. Each of these channels acts like a digital real estate property, collecting monthly rent through ad revenue and high-ticket sponsorships. The key to success in this niche is using highly descriptive prompts to ensure the AI generates breathtaking visuals that stop the scroll. Think of a golden sunset over the Manhattan skyline or a detailed close-up of a high-tech robotic hand assembling a watch. These stunning visuals attract a global audience, allowing the creator to earn passive income in US dollars regardless of where they live in the world. Beyond social media, the world of digital publishing has been completely transformed by the power of deep learning language models. The Amazon Kindle store is currently being flooded with specialized guidebooks and niche novellas written entirely by coordinated AI agents. But the real money isn't in generic fiction. It is in high-value technical manuals and personalized educational workbooks for children. An entrepreneur can use AI to research a complex topic like quantum computing or sustainable urban gardening and turn that data into a polished book in less than 24 hours. They then use AI image generators to create eye-catching book covers that look like they were designed by a top-tier New York agency. Once the book is uploaded, automated marketing tools take over, running targeted ads to specific audiences who are looking for exactly that information. This creates a recurring stream of royalties that requires zero maintenance once the initial setup is complete. Many people are even using AI to translate their books into 5 different languages to tap into the European and Asian markets. A single guidebook about healthy Mediterranean cooking can become a bestseller in Italy, Germany, and Japan all at the same time. The speed of production allows these digital publishers to dominate every trending topic before the traditional publishing houses can even hold meeting. The third pillar of the passive income revolution is the creation of hyper-niche software and micro-apps using no-code AI platforms. You no longer need to spend 4 years learning computer science to build a valuable tool that solves a specific problem for business owners. In 2026, Natural language processing allows you to simply describe the app you want to build, and the AI writes the entire backend code for you. For example, thousands of small business owners are paying monthly subscriptions for simple AI tools that automatically schedule their social media posts. Others are building specialized AI chatbots for dental offices or law firms that can answer patient questions and book appointments 24 hours a day. These micro-SaaS businesses are incredibly profitable because they have almost zero overhead costs and can be scaled infinitely. Imagine owning a small piece of software that 500 businesses use to manage their daily tasks for a small fee of $20 a month. That is $10,000 of monthly recurring revenue flowing into your account while you spend your time traveling or starting new projects. The beauty of this hustle is that once the software is built, the AI handles the bug fixes and the customer support through automated help desks. You become the architect of a digital system that works harder than any human employee ever could. Another explosive trend in 2026 is the world of AI-driven interior design and architectural visualization for the real estate market. Real estate agents are desperate for high-quality images that show potential buyers what an empty, dusty house could look like with a modern luxury renovation. Side hustlers are using specialized AI models to take a simple photo of an empty room and transform it into a cinematic masterpiece of interior design. They add marble floors, expensive velvet furniture, and warm ambient lighting that makes the property look like a $5 million mansion. A single project like this can be finished in minutes and sold for hundreds of dollars to hungry real estate firms. This is not just limited to photos. Some are even creating 3D virtual tours where a user can walk through a digital version of a dream home. The AI handles the complex physics of light and shadows, creating a realistic experience that was previously only possible for big-budget movie studios. As the global housing market continues to grow, the demand for these visual assets is reaching an all-time high. By positioning yourself as an AI visualization expert, you are tapping into a high-ticket industry with almost zero competition. Finally, we must look at the world of automated print-on-demand and luxury digital art. In 2026, the era of generic t-shirts is over, replaced by hyper-personalized clothing designed by AI for specific subcultures. Artists are using sophisticated neural networks to create intricate patterns of cyberpunk cities or ethereal forest landscapes that are printed on high-end fabrics. These designs are then sold on automated platforms that handle the printing, shipping, and customer service for a share of the profit. The creator never has to touch the product or deal with a single shipping label. On the high end, digital art collectors are paying thousands of dollars for unique AI-generated pieces that come with a verified digital certificate of ownership. A single stunning image of a futuristic astronaut floating in a nebula of purple gas can be sold as a limited edition print to collectors around the world. The key here is the fusion of human creativity and machine precision, resulting in art that is literally impossible to create by hand. The passive income revolution of 2026 is not about working harder. It is about working smarter by leveraging the most powerful technology ever created. The old world tells you to save your money and wait 40 years to retire, but the AI world tells you to build systems that create freedom today. Every day you wait is a day that someone else is claiming a piece of the digital landscape that could have been yours. Whether you choose to build a video empire, a software suite, or a digital art gallery, the tools are ready and waiting for you. The only barrier to entry is your own willingness to learn and adapt to this rapidly changing environment. If you found this roadmap valuable, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the future of wealth. Leave a comment below with the word revolution if you are ready to start your first AI side hustle this week. This is EduFacts TV, and we will see you in the next discovery of the digital frontier.